Do your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of diagnosing and repairing the MSI MS-17L1 laptop paid to you. First, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a spanner set, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the battery by unscrewing the screws located at the back of the device. This will give you access to the internal components. Once the battery is removed, use your Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws securing the back panel. Carefully lift the panel off, ensuring you don't damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you can now see the internal components of the laptop. If you notice dust accumulation, it's crucial to clean the internal parts. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heat sinks. For stubborn grime, lightly dampen a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and gently wipe the surfaces. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Now, let's check the RAM and hard drive. If you suspect issues with performance, reseating the RAM can often resolve these problems. Locate the RAM slots, release the clips, and carefully remove the RAM sticks. Clean the contacts with a soft cloth before reinserting them. If the laptop still doesn't boot, it may be time to consider a professional diagnosis. Remember, we offer professional diagnoses without obligation, so you can get a clear understanding of the issues without any pressure. Next, let's examine the hard drive. Unscrew the hard drive bracket and gently pull it out. If you have a spare hard drive, you can test it by swapping it in to see if the laptop boots. If you're unsure about this process, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without any hassle. After checking these components, it is essential to reassemble the laptop body. Place the hard drive back in its bracket, secure it with screws, and reattach the back panel. Ensure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any rattling or loose parts. If you are still experiencing issues, it might be time to consider a quote before repair. This way, you'll know the costs involved before proceeding with any extensive repairs. Finally, power on the laptop to see if the issues have been resolved. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You've successfully diagnosed and repaired your MSI MS-17L1 laptop by Calle. If problems persist, remember, we offer no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need. Thank you for following this guide. We hope it has been helpful in your repair journey. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection, and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.